What's up everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Tankian the Man, and finally we are back with the desk, and finally we are making the upgrade for hard tubing. But before going all in, bending tubes and all that stuff, we have to start working on the improvements for the desk, because I want to make this desk the most user-friendly possible. But in order to do that with hard tubing, we have to make some improvements, basically and mainly on the fake bottom. Anyways, there will be some repairs on the top trim and some holes that we have to make to the structure in order to accomplish that. So with this said, let's move on and let's see how things went. Okay everyone, all the holes are ready. I just have to make the reservoir holes, but they are pretty simple to do. Everything is sanded, and after doing the reservoir holes, I have to make new spacers to place between the fake bottom and the bottom. The reason I'm doing new ones is that these ones are really big and I want a smaller one, so to allow me to move cables under this piece much more easier. So with this said, let's continue our work. So my battery just died. I wasn't able to show you what I did with the spacers, but this is the result. Okay, pretty simple. I use hood because it's really easy to work with that, and it's more than enough to handle all the weight and create this space. So anyways, all the holes for the reservoirs are done. Right now, the only thing we have to do to this piece is basically paint. So let's do it. So as you guys saw, the desk is back inside, and it was pretty decent to bring it inside, even though the desk is still a little heavy. If you have two persons to move it around, it's quite decent. And moving on, I want to make a quick resume about how everything went. I was expecting some troubles in the painting, in the repainting areas, since I made a lot of cuts with my grinder, and when you make cuts with the grinder, it kind of creates a lot of heat on the metal plate. At the same time, the paint kind of starts to get a little rough. But even though that happened, I managed to sand everything properly, and the final result went pretty decent. I didn't have any problems in the painting area with that. So besides that, everything, as I said, went really good. I'm very happy how everything turned up. So next video about the desk will be assembling all the components, start doing the water cooling loop, the arc tubing loop, and that's something that I'm very excited for. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below with your opinion, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course follow me on Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Anyways, I hope indeed you guys enjoyed the video. I'm Tankian the Man, and I'll see you on the next one.